Now, the wait is finally over. Ford unveiled their all-new Bronco after a much-anticipated release. Joining us now is Fox 40 auto expert Nik Miles, live in Detroit to give us an exclusive look. Nik, this car looks awesome. What is it like being there in person? I'm so envious.
It's absolutely amazing. The only thing that will make it better is to have you sitting in the driver's seat as well. Yep, the new Bronco unveiled last night in Detroit. So much interest that it actually crashed the pre-order site for Ford. So many people trying to get on in line and order the brand new Bronco. Let's race through a few of the things you can see. You can see it's a Bronco, a heritage throwback to the 1966. Even if I take away the Bronco lettering at the front of this vehicle, you can tell what it is. On the outside, there are three different versions, a two-door, a four-door, and the Bronco Sport, which is the red one next to me here. Get it off-road. Check it out. You can actually take the roof off. One man, one woman can take the roof off. You can take the doors off. One person. Stow them in the back. Do your off-roading with the vehicle with those, you know, if you have a competition, you might have to leave those in the garage. And you can do a full adventure with this vehicle. Not just about the outside, though, Richard. Check out the inside as well. 8-inch screen comes standard with this vehicle. A 12-inch screen is an option with it. Those grab handles on the inside, you can move them around the vehicle. And intuitively, Ford have put in a bar across the front, which you can attach your GoPro or attach your cell phone to. It has power at the base of the windshield. Plus, if the kids spill a juice box in the bottom, no problem. You actually have a drain plug. You can hose the vehicle out, and those seats are mildew resistant as well on the inside. And check this out. Once you get this vehicle out and on the road, you have apps. You can share your trails with your friends. There are cameras that do 360 degrees of the vehicle. Plus, you can also, don't need a spotter because there's a 180-degree camera at the front of the vehicle. Now, this is the Bronco Sport, and I want to show you a little bit about this. By the way, this will come with 100 accessories when it's launched later this year. The 2- and the 4-door will actually be coming sometime early next year. This at the back of the vehicle has a shelf that comes out in the Sport. You can use it as a table. It also has floodlights in the top of the tailgate, so you can flood whatever you're looking. The door handles can be used as towel racks. Every single Bronco comes with a 4x4, and I have to tell you, when the show's over, this may not be just soda, but right now it's just soda. Every Bronco comes also with a bottle opener. Have to be a bit of a professional to do this with one hand, and you can enjoy a soda. Now, they go on sale for under $30,000. I've decked the full spec 4-door out. The best I could get it to was just over $60,000. You can still order them at the website, Richard, but unfortunately, the first editions have already sold out.
Oh, Nik, when are you going to get to drive it? I want to see how the thing performs.
I will bring it to you. I promise I will bring it to you.
Please. So envious right now. Such a good-looking car. Nik, thank you so much.